Hi my friends, I'm going to make egg drop soup, which can take no more than 5 minutes because I have just about a half hour now. I don't know what got this in my head. Now I'm completely obsessed with making this. I think it's a perfect recipe for survival, mindful meal and sustainable living. And it's healthful, really good nutrition. I'm going to get on with this. Oh, right. Every recipe, of course I always look at them, watch them, see how to make it. Because I had never made it before. Everybody uses chicken broth because that's what people think makes you feel better. Anyway, I'm using miso paste and 4 cups of water and 2 bay leaves. I am going to put a splash of Chinese cooking wine. Let's see. And I want to also put some sesame oil in here. So I like the toasted kind. That's the best. Now I'm actually going to show you how to do ginger. With a spoon, you just peel the skin off. Rather than if you use a peeler, you lose too much of the ginger. I did want you to see that technique. And then, honestly, I'm not really one for tools, but this is one. These microplanes are great. I went to my Indian grocery store to get the sesame oil and the new thing I'm into, white pepper, people. White pepper. And now I decided, I just came up with it, my next salt of the earth is going to be called white hot. That's my next blend. And I guess I'll do it on the lunar eclipse. Now, this is where the technique and what makes this dish so special. And I've never done it before. So here we go. One of the tricks, there's a lot of little tricks to this, although it's very easy, is you make a slurry with cornstarch and water. Here I have made 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. And you can see I put 2 tablespoons in now. I want to see what kind of consistency I get. Because this gives this soup a little bit of body. I think I'm going to use whatever I have here. I have a little bit more in the bowl, so there you go. Then, once this comes to a consistency that you like, then we pour the egg in. And what I did was 3 eggs lightly scrambled well, and 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to take the 2 bay leaves in here, take them out, and now I am going to do the whole trying to make egg drop soup. I've never ever done this before, but I think it's such a perfect recipe for survival, mindful meals, to mindful meal and sustainable living. Very little, if any, food packaging waste. Now, you turn the heat off. It's not going to really matter because I had it simmering. Most TV chefs, or these Instagram, they, take it off the heat. It is a very good idea to put your egg in something that you can pour. I used a measuring cup. You do it in circles. So you pour the scrambled egg that's in the measuring cup in a circular motion in the simmering broth. And then you gently swirl the broth with a spoon. I think it's going to be really good. And then you very gently swirl it around. And I think we're going to have egg drop soup. Wow. Let me see how it tastes. Hold on. Oh, now, here's the other thing. I have those little Chinese spoons. Believe me, if you don't have Chinese spoons, I sure hope you'll still make this. Let's see. This is my first taste of it. Really good. And I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. It's great. If the scallions were on it, it would be A+. It works, people. No food packaging waste. I'm starving. I hope that was fun for whoever joined. Talk to you soon. Thanks for joining me for Recipes for Survival. I'm going to keep doing these. I'm so into it again. Thank you. Much love.